Hello everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome back. Today I want to share something very special with you. This is actually very precious to me and I have been waiting for this for a long time. When I came home from school today, I got the surprise. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is my YouTube Silver Play button. So I cannot express how happy I am right now, and I'm so sorry that I have already unboxed this. I couldn't resist myself when I saw this, but still I'm going to show you what was actually given to me from YouTube. Okay. So, here is the Silver Play button that YouTube has gifted me, and along with it, YouTube has also given me a letter. It is from the CEO of YouTube. So here it is written, some 100,000 subscribers, just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we are so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you have also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. So this is what is written in the letter, and this is the Silver Play button. I cannot express how happy I am today, and I don't have any words to thank you guys, my dear viewers and subscribers. You are the ones who have always supported me and stayed by my side. Thank you so much for giving me all your love, support and blessings. Actually, this award is all of ours, and till now, how many awards I have got, how many achievements I have had, this is the most precious to me because this includes you all in it, and that is why this will always stay the most precious to me. The first and one of the very biggest dream of each and every YouTuber is that to achieve this Silver Play button, and I'm so happy that I have actually achieved it, and thanks to you guys. Thank you so much for your blessings. And thank you for always keeping me motivated. And I would also like to thank YouTube for giving me this wonderful award, which inspires me a lot. I promise each and every one of my subscribers that I would always try to give my best, and I would always be back with good and better contents. And I just hope that you will always bless me and love me and support me. So this was actually today. I just wanted to share this very precious and very special moment with you all. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next video. Bye.